Oh, I'm actually recording now. Oh, I'm actually going to record now. Is my friend playing rivals right now? Wait. Oh, he's at matchmaking. I could have joined him and asked him to make a video. Well, the reason I'm trying to play this because I really want Nosy to give me. I really want Nosy to give me my own charm. Alright, Nosy? If Nosy's watching this, I really want my own charm. Let me see if I could ask the Hey, who are you, bro? Oh wow, tell out the combo weapons. What are they? Where can I get from? What? Okay, fine. I'll go 1v1. So then I'm on levels we're not in rivals. YouTube videos and anything crazy happening. I'm just going to 1v1. I'm playing levels normally. I'm gonna go play levels normally. Arena! Arena, please, Arena! Okay, got Arena. Well, time to like destroy on this map. I still got the like a charm on arena. I still got gold drop on knife. Oh, where did he win? One of one of those be kind edits. You want me to? Oh my god, I'm lagging. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. I don't know why I'm lagging. Oh, yeah. I got killed. What a coincidence. Yeah, I don't know how to say it. It's Mr. Kid, bro. Mr. Kid. No salt for you, buddy. Oh, he's lagging. And lastly, why is paintball gun, hitbox, and knife hitbox so big? And should I tell Nasty about a bug that he needs to fix? Yeah, probably. Yeah, you're gonna get that soon later. You're gonna get that soon later. I'm gonna tell Nasty there's a bug in his game with knife. I don't know how. Where's this guy at? Oh, he disconnected. I'm trying to get diamond. This is the bug I'm talking about. I'm talking about Nosy. I actually read your news. So did you said there you cannot anymore backstab in front of people. Yeah, it's kind of true, but I couldn't do this. What? Look. Yeah, you gotta fix that. You gotta fix that, Nosy. Oh shit, Alina. I swear I 1v1 this guy before. I swear I 1v1 this guy before. And lastly, tell me what's the best weapon that they could buy with one. You saw my keys. So, tell me what's. Yeah, I probably will. I think the Casta will not even come. I think. Where's this guy at, bro? Lastly, I think he's shocking. I see him now. There you go. I'm already at level 89 and I probably need to grind some more to get diamond and rank, bro. What? Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a counter to that. That's one. So they do it. This 180 degrees, and then pop, killed. Yeah, that's easy. Come here, back, bro. Pog, what? Pogicon. See what he was very happy. Yeah. So that wait and cut. Oh yeah, we got and cut. And it's like just normal rivals YouTuber. It's not creating like all of the rivals YouTuber. I'm not creating. But why am I so laggy, bro? How much FSP do I have? My ping? I have more ping than the other guy. That's why I have more ping than the other guy. But how the heck I'm still lagging, bro? I'm gonna troll a little. How am I gonna make this video a trolling video now? I'm probably gonna add this into my description. So for everyone. It's gonna be a trolling video now. Oh, this guy again. He wants to get trolled. I get time to get trolled. Time to warm up. I'm gonna like not get him a single shot. I will not let him get a single shot. But if I do, if he gets a shot, it's okay. I will not do anything. It's just okay, bro. It's okay. It's okay. No need. Oh, I last time on the one's guy, and I swear he was using knife. So yeah, he will not get a hit. Yo, hopefully you guys hear my voice. Maybe it's bad quality. Because I have a vlog mic, not like pop. Say probably a boy one. But then it's like 30 seconds. I'm gonna go kill him because I'm not gonna waste a lot of time on this video. Just later search on Google how to get my own charm, but then and then you said start making content on YouTube, rivals, and get and be kind from the community. So I did 30 seconds, guys. I need to kill this bird. No, I could be kind, but I need someone to clip this. I need someone to clip this real quick. Whatever, man, dude. Yeah, clip it. You just clip the chat. Yeah, why am I even saying chat if it's not even a live stream? Oh well, I probably should call my friend right now. I bet he will not pick up the phone. Oh, he's lagging. He's lagging, bro. He's lagging. He's lagging. And I found a P to win player. And I tried to say P to win. It's not so good. Pretty good. Pretty good update. Lost me or Sensei? Has Sensei been a real YouTuber? Uh, he might be hacking. He might be hacking. I bet you guys saw that. Ow! I accidentally bite my tongue. That hurts. After this match, I'm gonna just call my friend. This is taking so long. I'm not gonna troll people, bro. Just kidding. Yeah, we're not gonna troll you. How about trying to hit trick shots? Yeah, how about trying to hit trick shots? Yeah. But I'm thinking of a description while I continue the video. So, yeah. Oh, wow. Giant hitbox. Giant very hitbox. And I am from Philippines. Yeah, how about just upgrade? Oh, now I know. I was talking about all of my charms and I was talking about I want the charm lost me. And I even, oh, wait. Make sure to add my friend, okay? Make sure to make sure to add my friend. I'm gonna show our avatar soon, Nosni. So if one of you guys, if a YouTuber watching this, can you like DM Nosni to make this guy a charm? Because I really want a charm, bro. Or a skin. That would be really good. And everyone, please subscribe so I will get noticed by Nosni. I have one question. Why do I keep feeling everyone? And he's on a mobile. I say mobile has a bro. At 1v1 is so much mobiles and my friends even mobile and somehow I beat him. I don't know how. What is bro using? Yeah, I don't know what is this guy using, bro, but I swear I literally yeah, I'm probably gonna end this video. Who come here, brother? I'm just gonna you. Bap! Eliminate Hundu. Eliminate two YTH Hundu. Vaitama. Vaitama. Natural. Wait for him. Let me try him. Oh, he knew. Oh my god, I should not troll him, bro. I should have not trolled him. I should have not trolled him. I should have known. Oh my god. Does Fulton have your own charm? Does Mini Blocks have your own charm? Probably. Oh, she's inside. Me. Oh my god, bro. My double jumps are not working. Just kill me. I'm very, very low. There's no such thing that I'm gonna win. Come here, bro. Just kill me. Definitely tried to do it, and I don't have any editor, so that's this kind of so I'm gonna try the last. Oh my god, bro! Oh my god! I might reveal my username. Yeah, it is probably not my username. Come here, but I'm not sure of you. Oh my! Don't dash like that. Don't dash like that. Yeah, that's all. Let me. I want to leave for facilities. And I'm not a spammer. I was used to be a spammer, but now I'm not a spammer since that's kinda annoying now. Is this Val? Bro, this guy has insane aim. Bro was definitely trained by bro, he definitely played Arsenal. I know he played aim train. I know he definitely played aim train, bro. He definitely played aim train. Here is his. What is that? He has paintball gun. The hitbox knife. The giant hitbox versus paintball. The also giant hitbox. Who will win? Not even paintball gun. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm actually gonna try later. Here's energy pistols. This guy's so pay to win. That's all. We will show our avatars. We will quit and try to call Jordan and see if he picks up. We may make another video. Oh, he's probably won't be wanting his kuya right now. Well, this is Jordan. Wait. Can you view his profile? Yeah, that. Make sure to make a charm of this. Charm of this Janosni. That. And this is my. That. Make sure. That's all now, guys. Yeah, that's all for now. This is my cup of me. And wow, wow, my mic was robot. Yeah, mic was robot. My mic was my mic my mic was literally robot. Wait, let me charge it before I do. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.